If you're looking for a paradise in an island country, you've come to the right place. UniGardens is indeed the queen of all student accommodations in Canberra, which offers a wide range of apartments and studios. While the studios here are designed with modern interiors and furnished with premium quality beds, a large study desk, a flat-screen TV, wardrobes, a private bathroom, and a kitchen with high-tech appliances. The single and double-bedroom apartments here share kitchens and bathrooms and features comfy beds on either side of the bedroom. Do you start your mornings with a workout? If yes, head over to our on-site gym and sweat it out. Of course, it's all fun, and games in the game room with your mates or even hosting a barbecue party could be a better option to spend the evening. With the University of Canberra being a 6-minute drive from the accommodation and with Australian National University 11 minutes away, it is only right that you get to squeeze in a quick snooze. Surrounded by national parks and wildlife reserves, Canberra's tourist spots like Cockington Green Gardens, Australia War Memorial, and the National Zoo and Aquarium are worth definitely visiting. Your heaven on earth awaits you here. Book your room at amberstudent.com and enjoy your stay.